Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, I am going to be doing an unbagging of the July Ipsy Glambag. As always, it comes in this baby pink bubble wrap mailer. For this month, this is what the bag looks like. It is this transparent pink bag and it says Escape with 2 palm trees. It's really cute. And it's also ironic because with coronavirus and everything going on, nobody is escaping anywhere right now. So, and it has a little airplane on the zipper. So again, this is for July 2020. And on the information card, it says, take a break, airplane mode your phone, put up a mental do not disturb. It's time to re-energize. Whether it's living room dance party or bold lipstick, take a break from the ordinary. Let loose and go with the flow. Where will it take you? And then the hashtag for this month is hashtag Ipsy take a break. And then on the inside, it gives you 5 tips on how to have the ultimate staycation. Getting into the products. First up, we have this Murad Essential C Daily Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 30. It says that this brightens and helps shield skin from environmental aggressors. The only Murad product that I've ever tried is their matte poreless primer. Worked really well, didn't have a reaction to it. That's the only thing that I've ever tried from them. And then in terms of directions, it just says apply a liberal amount to face, neck, and chest. So this is good to have. I will admit that I am not good at wearing sunscreen. I like to say, oh, I'm melanated, I don't need it. That is false. Next up, we have this product from Verb. It is their Shape Define Defrizz Repair Curl Cream. This product contains no parabens, no gluten, no sulfates. In terms of directions for this product, it says blend a small amount into hands, less is more, and apply evenly through damp curls. Style as usual. Gently scrunch dry hair for a softer hold. Use on dry hair to reactivate curls gone rogue. So I've actually never heard of this brand, and I just squeezed out a little bit onto my fingers. In terms of the texture of this, it doesn't feel, I don't know how to describe this. It feels like a cream. It doesn't feel like your usual gel. It's not super tacky or anything like that. So it's saying scrunch into your hair for a soft hold. And my natural hair texture, I typically need something with a heavier hold. I like products that don't give me a lot of crunch, but they have a heavy hold and they will maintain my styles for 2 to 4 days. Anything with a soft hold, as soon as I take out rollers, take out twists, whatever it is, that's gonna last me maybe 30 minutes to an hour. That's a little dramatic, but it's gonna last me 1 day max. Next, we have this tattoo liner from Kat Von D. This is a waterproof liquid eyeliner, and I got it in the shade Trooper Black. Swatched on the back of my hand, I did 2 strokes. One of them is just pressing it straight down, and then one of them is sliding it across. So you guys can see that you can get 2 different types of wings, but very precise. And I was just decluttering some makeup. I just threw away 2 liquid eyeliners and this came right on time. Next, from the brand Beauty For Real, we have this lipstick, and this is Hotter Than Miami. This is a lip cream, actually, I misspoke. This is a berry tone plum kind of color, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it on the back of my hand. And swatched on the back of my hand, that's what it looks like. So I would definitely pair that with a deep purple or a brown liner. But it's a pretty color, has gloss. I typically tend to lean towards matte shades of products. That's just my preference. I don't really too much like gloss. I'm wearing, what is this? This is from Glossier. I'll have it down in the comment section, not in the comment section, in the description box below, but this is from Glossier. And this is as close to gloss that I will get. But this is a pretty color and it does complement my skin tone, so I'll definitely keep it. And then finally, we have a brush from SL Miss Glam. This is their E25. This is an eye blender brush. And as I always say, you can never have too many makeup brushes. So that is it. That is all for this month. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more makeup related videos, definitely comment down below. If you guys got the July Ipsy Glambag, definitely comment down below what you got in your glam bag. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.